Okay, fine. So let me start this. So we all know how to use the Google Docs. All we have to do is just go into Gmail, and if I click here on the 3 by 3 dots at the top right corner, and then I just have to click on this Drive. That will open up the Google Drive. Fine. So in the Drive, this Drive is like an online pen drive. You must have all heard about the pen drive or CD drives where we save our data. So this is like an online pen drive wherein we are provided around 15 GB of storage for free. So this 15 GB of storage can be used in a combined form. So either with Gmail, with photos, with Google Drive, or whatever storage we are using throughout the Google's any of the Google's facilities. So that will be shared in this 15 GB. Fine. So if you want to start
That
in
is 17 GB, sir.
yeah, for me it is 17 GB because I had taken part in that special offer. Fine. So
Okay.
there was a special offer going on wherein Google
Okay.
provided 2 GB extra for the people who enabled two-step verification. Have you heard of this two-step?
Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, even I have done also.
yeah. So even you have done it. So you have 17 GB.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. I thought I was the only one with 17 GB.
No, sir. I have two email IDs. Both of them have the 1717.
Okay, okay,
After
fine.
that, it will cost as 400 to 700, sir.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So there are a lot of paid options as well. We can go for paid options if we really want to. But again, another ID will be available just for no free. For a little hampering, of course, it will be slightly difficult because whenever you have to upload something, you have to change the ID and do the uploads and all. But okay, so it's like almost all the data is available for free. So it's only up to us to utilize it to the best of our capacity. So I'd like to start somewhere with this. Mhm. Okay, the complete story of this logo and why I named it Cadimate and Foreign by, that's really very big. It will take a lot of time for me to actually explain all this. I just started it out by considering notes as the primary thing. So I just wanted to collect all the definitions and make the definitions available everywhere easily. That was my initial. Uh, that's exactly what I wanted to do initially. But later on, it expanded to a lot of other things. Fine. I learned about YouTube and started creating some videos on YouTube over there. You can find it on the channel, and you just have to search for my name, Shrikant Rangal, or you can type this full ID there. So this is where I have uploaded so many of my videos. So starting with just simple notes, I added when I started making videos on YouTube, I found that AutoCAD was one of the very easy to use softwares, and it could be used for education, especially with subjects which involve a lot of drawing, like kinematics of machines is there, engineering drawing is there. So all these subjects which require precise drawings, these subjects could really benefit from AutoCAD. And that's when I had started creating all these videos. In fact, in my engineering days itself, I had created around 70 to 75 videos. That playlist is still there on my YouTube channel. Later I uploaded it here. And they're very simple. You see 59 videos are there here. And these videos are very, very simple. Fine. I had taken 3D models from the textbook of N.D. Bhatt, and with a software called 3D Studio Max, I was able to make these simple rotating views of these solids. And I was actually hoping to release a compact disc, a CD, with a complete menu. Whatever solids a student wants to, you can just open that particular video from the playlist, and that's how I wanted it to be. But anyway, it didn't get to the final stage, and I just had to abandon that idea because I was not having enough time to complete the academics itself. So from that time itself, I felt that uh, if the capabilities of the students, the younger generation, if they are captured properly, then the whole teaching learning process can be taken to a very high level. Fine. A level which people nowadays can't even imagine. It will be like a magic to them if we tell them that this is how we want and this is what we want to do. They will feel that, yeah, what are you talking about? So this is so futuristic, right? But there is nothing about that. Our present is as futuristic as our capability. We are just limited by our own imagination, you can say. So this, you can see, it's a Google document, and I have had a lot of plans, and all my plans I had entered into this. And the logo took shape very slowly, step by step, and actually I just sketched it roughly, and then I went on improving it. In fact, if you see the Play Store, if you see this Play Store, this is where all my apps are there. Right. So the logo, very front. This is the logo for this thing. Right. There's one more logo. In fact, this Cadimet logo that you see here, it looked very different in the older version. I wanted to show you here, but it doesn't seem to be there. Anyway, so this this is the thing. So let me talk about this Google Docs, not without wasting your time. My story will take a long time to actually complete it. So let me talk about how we can use Google Docs. Fine. So let me just start with a new file instead of.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Who is
Sir,
this?
we can do as Bayou, sir. We can copy in like that style, and even you can use that platform for giving education for someone else.
So Byju's is
Students
allowing
like
us
this.
to make videos for them.
No, sir, but we can use that same kind of structure
So
and
we,
improve
we
our
can,
videos.
yes, we can make it. It will take time. Fine. You see, Byju's was
Yes.
not made in 1 or 2 days,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right? They took a long time to actually come up with that idea, and you can say we are at the beginning of that somewhere.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
seen one of the videos of Byju's, sir, as like respiratory system of lungs, like
Yeah.
that. It
Yes. Yes.
is it is showing as an internal directly bisection of the lungs, sir, directly
Mm-hmm.
how it is taking the oxygen like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If we implement the same knowledge in our mechanical field as like that,
Yes.
we
Yes.
can
Yes.
easily get.
Definitely. You can see here. This is a mechanism. It's a 4-bar mechanism. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this was made using a 3D modeling. Sorry, I don't know who it is that is talking. Are you my student or someone else?
Sir, I have met you in my Dhaka college, sir, Deccan College of Engineering.
Okay, Deccan College. Nice to meet you.
Uh,
Nice to
yeah.
see you. So here you can see this is a 3D model. Okay. So this 3D model, anyone will be able to open not only on the system. If they don't have a system, they can open it on their mobile, and they can start interacting with it. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so this is what you're talking about, isn't it?
As
So
like some but if taking
we
an
can.
example of carburetor, sir,
Okay.
someone won't know about the floating in between the carburetor, right, sir?
Okay.
That's why
So
if we
we
zoom
can,
into that.
sure.
Yeah.
We can go to that level. We can definitely go to that level.
Mhm.
We are starting. We are in the beginning stages, you can say. So
Yes, sir.
if there are some students who are good with animation, like
Yes, sir.
using the free softwares like Blender or some other software, they can very easily make this. Fine. So the 3D models, some students who are perfect with CAD, they can make the 3D model. Once the 3D model is ready, they can be animated using the other software. Fine. So this has to be a collaborative work. This has to be a
Teamwork,
collaborative work.
teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork. A single person can't do this. Fine. I've been trying for over 10 years and very little I was able to accomplish. And that's when I realized that if I take the help of the younger generation, this process could be much faster. And that is the primary reason why I started conducting these webinars. Fine. This is the first webinar, and thank you for joining us. It's been a long time, I guess, when I came to take the Viva for you, and you kept that in mind.
Sir,
Yes.
And my suggestion is to use the Zoom app, sir.
Sure. Fine.
It is more convenient to interact between us and more to see the screen of you.
Yeah, even I'm sharing. Acha, you want to share the screen from your side?
No. If you share the screen, it will be more convenient to see in the Zoom application.
Zoom application. This is not convenient.
Yeah.
Google Meet.
Not comparatively convenient as Zoom, sir.
Acha, not as easy as Zoom.
A bit difficult to understand, sir.
Fine, I'll keep that in mind. One more student also suggested me to go for Zoom. But okay, we started at least. A good start is half done, that's what it said. And 7 people are attending it actually. It's a very good number. Before this, I even had done some video calls and all, but only hardly 1 or 2 people used to come. And those 2, even my close friends, only my close friends used to come, and we ended up doing a lot of useless chat instead of doing all this effective work. So compared to that, this is a very good start. Let us think, and next time I'll definitely consider your request, and we'll conduct it on Zoom. So let's continue, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was talking about, yeah, the Google Docs. Fine. So any particular thing you want me to start with? Let's do something, because this is the first time we are doing. Let us plan our webinars. Okay. So all of you, please share me your mail IDs, Gmail IDs. All of you, please share the Gmail IDs in the chat. Are you able to do the chat? Is the chat accessible?
Yes, sir, it's accessible.
Sir, what I think as if we use, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
If you use this Google Forms like that, and selectively if you make forms as to use this platform for the educational purpose, and for using that Google Forms and entering our emails and friends' email address for to join us, we can spread this message to all of the college. And
yeah, sure, definitely. This is the first class, as I told. This is the first class. Somewhere we had to begin, right?
Yes, sir.
Every long journey begins with a small step. So
yeah, but these days emails are not used by all of them, sir. They are somewhat avoiding the email addresses. It is a bit complicated, right, sir? We can use WhatsApp platforms.
Yeah, we can use, but you know, when you want to utilize the facilities of Google Docs, then it becomes difficult, right? So that's where the email ID is going to come into action. And even, you know, WhatsApp, in a way, it's actually a little distracting.
Yes.
It will distract us. If we are trying to focus on something, in the between, some of our friends will be, you know, messaging, family members will be messaging. And
no, मतलब I was saying sir, मतलब अगर किसी को join करना है, मतलब अपने को
yes, definitely. इसी हमारा अभी WhatsApp का ग्रुप तो है हमारा, right?
हाँ, जब अपन कुछ वेबिनार स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उससे 2 दिन पहले अपन ग्रुप में डाल दिए तो क्या है सर, और मेंबर्स को फैसिलिटेट करके ज्वाइन करा सकते हैं.
Yeah, definitely. Fine. एक्चुअली मैंने अभी ये जो मैं वेबिनार में चला रहा हूँ, ये मैंने कुछ प्लानिंग वगैरह कुछ नहीं किया, right?
Yes.
So when we are doing the planning, even see from our college also there is a plan. Our HOD is also very supportive, and I'm planning to actually put forward a proposal in front of him, and to tell him about whatever plans I'm having. Fine. So maybe the college is going to sponsor us, and when that happens, there will be a brochure, there will be a complete, WhatsApp group will be there. We'll be continuously in contact with all the people who want to take part in the webinars. And after a week, after full planning, we will start it. That's not a big problem. Fine. But it's going to take time.
Want to add a point?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't, as I have last previous lockdown, I have attended around 18 to 20 webinars, sir,
Okay.
from the Nawak Shalom College. Sir.
Okay.
They have been sponsored all the things, and they have been encouraging the student by giving the certificates, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Even we can do that.
Yes. So one of the emails
And
are correct.
they are taking the particular topic for the day, sir. Like that, sometimes they are taking the suspension of the vehicles, and some days they are taking another, like that.
Okay. So definitely we can also go to that level. I hope you have all received the link to edit this file on your Gmail, but I'll also share this link in the chat so that you can join from there directly. So are all of you using the system, or someone is on mobile? Even on mobile also you can just open it using the Google Docs app. You might need to have this Google Docs app installed if you are using from mobile. Okay, so I'll just share this link as well here in the chat. So Google Meet, does it have option to raise the hand?
Not there, sir.
No, sir, it won't have.
Yeah, okay. So I think that is the reason you were telling me to go for Zoom. Fine. Actually, I was very much into Google and I wanted to check it out once. Anyway, it's good to see that we are learning about all this, all the facilities available. Next time we'll of course go with Zoom and be better off. Okay, so I see that some of you have already joined this. So since this is the first class, below your respective email IDs, I'll just put my email ID as well here. So I just want all of you to enter your ideas below your mail ID. Fine. Let us see how many ideas we are able to collect. And you will be able to see what is the power of Google Docs. Fine. This is what makes you realize. So we are around 3 to 4 members, a total of 7 members, editing the same file at the same time. Fine. So you can start entering the data. If you are using mobile, the mobile has an option to speech to text. How many of you are aware of the speech to text option?
Google Lens uses the same power.
Not just Google Lens. Google Lens will take a picture to identify the text, right?
Yeah.
So what I am talking about is speech to
Yeah,
text.
voice recognition, sir.
Yes,
No, no.
voice.
If we talk that
Like Google artificial.
voice will be converted into text.
Yes, voice will be converted into text. I'm joining
Google
from
voice search.
No, that is available in the. One minute. So I've joined from my mobile as well.
So sorry for interruption, but your voice is getting echo.
Okay. Now is it correct?
Fine. So what happened was I was connected to 2 devices, and from both the mics the sound was going. Am my voice clear now? My voice is clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, I.
Okay. So I'll just share my screen on the mobile. So stop sharing from here. Stop this. Yeah. Stop sharing.
So nowadays, mobile keyboards also have voice to text features.
Mobile keyboard also you can use.
So can you see
So can you see my mobile screen now?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes.
So
You have to join here, right? So let me check. Drive. Go to the recent files. Lot of pending work. Yep. Samadhan has already started entering a lot of stuff using Zoom application for flexibility, forms for information collection, WhatsApp, Telegram groups. We already have WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Yeah, webinar plans. Yeah. So let me demonstrate to you how to use this. To use the speech to text option, you should have this application called Google Gboard installed. So go to Play Store. There is this app called Gboard. Gboard means Google Board. Fine. There is a pending update. No problem. I'll update it later. Fine. So Gboard is the app which I am using right now. So after enabling Gboard, when the keyboard comes, at the bottom you can see the keyboard, and here you will see a mic option. Just above 0, there is a mic
Yes, sir.
option. When I press that mic option
Yes.
and start speaking, it will start recognizing my voice and putting it into text. But I think
Yes,
it's
sir,
not
already
working
experienced.
right now because my mic is being used by this the meeting, online meeting.
So I have to
So I have to
disable
disable
this.
this.
When I
When I disable this, then you won't be able to see my screen. Okay.
So you just
So you just have to press this button, this mic button you have to press,
and
and when you start speaking, it will recognize the voice and put it into text. Fine. So it's a very, very useful functionality. In fact, I spent a good part of my learning time in learning fast typing. Fine. And after learning all this typing, when I came across this functionality, I thought all that work that I did was for nothing. In fact, I could just have waited for this functionality to come up, and I could just speak instead of typing.
We can even translate. We can even translate in a matter of seconds.
Yes, translation is also possible, very fast. So that's why I'm telling you, the world has grown towards futuristic steps. But the way we are educating,
the way we are using education, it has remained in the past. Have you heard of this person called Prince? There's a very good video made by this person, and he'll be talking a lot about this education system being old-fashioned and all. Very nice video. I'll share the link after this webinar. You can go through that video. It's very, very useful.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am? Yes? So you can see that I am talking with the mic enabled, and it's able to directly type whatever I'm talking about. Fine. And it's very, very accurate. It's very, very accurate. I don't really have to worry about my pace, how fast I'm speaking, how slow I'm speaking. It will take care of most of the things. Okay. So somebody was telling something. Oh, sorry, I didn't share the screen, right? Is that what you were trying to tell? Yeah. So you can see here that I'm just speaking at normal pace, comfortably, and it's doing all the typing work for me. Right. So it will even do the corrections in the middle if wherever possible. I just have to now read the text once again and find out if there are some mistakes anywhere. And I just have to make those corrections. That's it. A bit of punctuation marks and all, I have to take care of it. That's it. So what used to be a typing work, laborious typing job, the laborious typing job of the past has now become a simple speaking job, isn't it? Yeah. So Samadhan Shalke, he has suggested some very good these things. So in fact, I'd like to tell about this WhatsApp group. We already have our WhatsApp group. In fact, it's here, right? So this is the serious group. This is where we'll be taking up the serious stuff. And there is also, so this
Excuse
is,
me, sir.
yes ma'am. Yes. Okay, even it happened the last time. You just said excuse me and stopped
So
speaking.
we are ending.
You can't see the screen? Hello? I'll share it once again. Oh shit. I think the mic was off all this time, is it?
Yes, sir. Your was off.
Nobody informed me. I was
Sir,
continuously.
the meeting, sir, actually.
In fact, whatever you see typed here, I was actually talking and it was recognizing my voice and putting it down, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know that mic was off. I think that's the reason two of them left. Anyway, fine. So these are the things. You see, we already have our WhatsApp group. This is the invitation link if you are if you want to invite someone over. And even Telegram link also I have. I'll share it in a while, in a moment. Where did that go? Yeah. Very few people are actually joining the Telegram link. Yeah. So I'll just type it.
Now Telegram has become place to download pirated movies.
Yeah, you're right. But one advantage with using the Telegram is it doesn't have limit on how many people can join a group. With WhatsApp, it just comes limited to 256 members, right? So that is a big advantage of having the Telegram, and that's why I created the Telegram. In fact, in the middle, I had to my groups, they were hacked and all the people were removed, or else these groups that you have, they were already about 100 or 200 members were already into it. Fine. So that's when I actually created the Telegram link. Anyway, so this is our Telegram link. This is the WhatsApp link. There is also, you know, a fun type link for the Cadimate, and that's what we call the Cadimate for fun. Actually, the Cadimate creative team. So are you able to see the screen? I hope it is shared. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So please remind me in case something's happening. Okay. So I was talking about this, the fun group, the creative group. Fine. So this is the creative group, and the creative group is we were planning a whole MCU type world itself. Fine. So we had a few story characters, like there will be a guru, a student who has failed and who is depressed, then a guru who has a lot of wisdom, and one person who is very good with application oriented studies and all. One student who is very good with studies, his memory is very, very strong. So taking these four characters, we had actually making a story universe. In fact, our story is very much into the planning stage, and a rough idea, you can say a storyboard is almost ready. But to actually write it down in a way that it remains attractive throughout, that's the biggest challenge, I think. And we are finding it a lot challenging. So in fact, some of the students who are interested into this story writing and stuff, they can help us out there in that field. Fine. So yeah. So is there anything else? Any other ideas from your side? I've been speaking for a whole a majority of the part, not allowing you to put your ideas up would be, would not be good. So let's start with you. Any ideas you people have? Samadhan, are you there? Samadhan? So you have put up a very good list of do's and don'ts here. Thanks for that. You are in fact actually present here from 2 different devices, I think, because your name is appearing 2 times. Are you getting my voice? We'd like to hear something from your side. First of all, an introduction would help us recognize you from where you are. Are you there?
Sir, he is in noisy area, sir. He messaged you.
Sorry?
He messaged, sir. He's in noisy area since he can't talk.
Okay, fine. So you can let us in the chat. Where are you from? How did you get my contact? Samadhan, if you are able to get my voice, please let us know from where you are and how you got to know about me, about the Academate. Okay, while Sanukhe answers my question, we can go to the next person. Okay, from Maharashtra. I could make that out from your surname. When I was working in Pandharpur, Sadukhe sir was very supportive to me. Where from do you know me actually? Samadhan? Vamshi, anything from your side? Okay,
Not much, sir.
Not much.
I want to learn Blender.
You want to learn Blender? Even I want to learn Blender. It's been a long-standing dream actually.
Yes, sir. We can do lot of things, molding.
Yes.
Animation.
Lot of things we can do. In fact, I started out with 3D Studio Max when I was doing my engineering, and that's where I created these rotating solid videos. You see. Okay, so Samadhan has received this from WhatsApp group. So which WhatsApp group, Samadhan? Is it anyway connected to Godke sir? Yeah, Shahbaz, Sohail.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Where are you from? Deccan College, I think, right?
No, sir. I'm your student, sir.
Sorry. Where from? Which year?
Sir, from second year, sir.
Second year. Okay. Your Vamshi's classmate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good to know. One student already left. You see, this is what happens when we start interacting. People feel that they should not be talked to. They just want to be silent spectators. But silent spectators, they can't contribute much, I think. If you want to change the system, you have to be very much lively and responsive, right? So, any more ideas from your side? Shabas? Okay.
Sir, sorry for that, sir, but now the time is for Rosa, sir.
Yes. We'll stop in 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Because this webinar was just from for 6 to 7, and it's just the first webinar. So I just wanted to get introduced to all the people and sort of get to know what
Yes,
it
sir.
is we are planning about. In fact,
Yes,
the reach of what I am planning, it's so vast that it cannot be put into one webinar.
Yes, sir, exactly.
And so I've been working continuously since my student days itself, and what to say, the technical part actually started when I started doing engineering. But before that, even when I was doing schooling, at that time there was a lot of this wisdom part that I was into. My schooling happened in Manik Nagar, Manik Public School, and Manik Prabhu Maharaj, he was the founder of the school. And there it was a lot about philosophy as well. We used to discuss a lot of philosophy as well in the school. And that's what opened my mind into all sort of things. And I'm very much attracted towards this MCU, if you know what it is, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And the way those people, the way Kevin Feige, who is the main person behind this MCU, the way he has shaped all the connected universe of all these movies, 22 movies, and the conclusion of that in the last one, it's really immense. And the way it's moving forward as well, I think there is a lot of planning going into this. Fine. And a similar planning if we do for education purpose, I think there is a lot of opportunity for us to develop it further. Fine. So as you said, Vamshi is very much interested in animation. Some of us can actually model the 3D parts, and those models can be used by we can be exported into the other animation softwares, and we can animate this stuff. And all these things we can start with. And once we are very good with it, we can even go to the go into making professional videos, not just for education but also for enjoyment purpose. TVF was is the one more thing I would like to talk about. Have you heard about this TVF? The viral fever? Nobody has heard about this? The viral fever? No?
No, sir.
So it consists mostly of a group of IIT students who started this YouTube channel. Fine. And on this YouTube channel, they used to put up small videos of just for enjoying and time pass. Fine. And this thing which they just started doing for pastime, now they have their own app. They have their own app, and they produce their own content. Fine. A lot of video series they have created. Have you heard of this Kota Factory? Kota Factory. So this is a web series.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this Kota Factory was developed by the same people, the viral fever people. Fine. So Kota Factory is there. Then there was one more. What is that?
One more aspirant is there, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Aspirant.
Yes, sir.
Aspirant, yeah. And then there is this bachelor. Fine. Bachelors. So they made this video for.
Sir, as well as filter copy.
Spoof videos also they made. They took this. What is that? Amir Khan's movie. What was that? Wrestling movie.
Dangal.
Yes, ma'am. Wrestling movie was there, no?
Dangal, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Dangal.
Dangal, yes, Dangal. So for Dangal, they changed the story into a mother guiding her boys, her children, into cooking. And almost all the dialogues and the way the story flows, it's very, very similar to Dangal. Fine. And it becomes very, very comedic. The situations that we see here, you can't stop laughing. Fine. So that is one thing they created. And then they even went for doing this Bahubali spoof also they made. They made it for there will be some engineering students doing doing all sort of stuff that bachelors will be doing in the hostels and all. And the flow of story is almost same as this story that we see in Bahubali, but the whole situation is completely changed. Fine. So lot of creativity is required to come up with such content, right? So what we see in the Saas Bahu serials that come on the channels, compared to that, we see that a lot of creativity is used. And if we are in contact with such channels, even our thinking and our mentality, our way of thinking, our way of looking at life itself, it changes, right? But again, the way those people are making the videos, they are very much they're going into professional side. Fine. So my aim is not to go into that, not that way. I just want to remain about more towards study oriented stuff. Fine. So our stories will be slightly different. Fine. Anyway, we'll conduct one webinar especially for this web stories or whatever universe we want to create. You will find a lot of articles on my blog over there. I'll just share the blog link here before just stopping this webinar. We're almost done with this. So I'll just show you, in fact. Yeah. So shrikantrangal.wordpress.com. So if you are interested in the story parts, there are even some articles from technical point of view on that blog, which you can go through. So this first article, help or read me, this is where you can find all the categories. Fine. So Vidyan, a story series, this is where all the story part is located. Then you have Nina's talk. So this I just happened to meet Nina ma'am online through WhatsApp itself, and she used to write very good philosophical thoughts, and I took some of her thoughts and put them down as articles. Okay, so those articles are also present here. Then there are some engineering papers, previous year engineering papers solved. Some papers on mechanics are solved. This is where the Cadimate and foreign buy, the overall concept that we are talking about, all this is there here. Fine. A lot of articles are there. If you are interested, you can just go through it, and let me know in the comments if you have any ideas about further improving it, or if you have any ideas to add to that. We can come up with always a new blog wherein you will be working from your side, not a blog which is not just in my name but a name which we all choose commonly. Fine. You can always come up with that. So I guess we can stop here. So the file is shared to you. Anytime you get any additional ideas, you can always you are always welcome to add your ideas there. Fine. And hopefully we'll continue to do this for all the days in the evening. Fine. So as per the suggestion of some of the friends, tomorrow we will meet at 7, and we'll hopefully continue meeting at 7 o'clock in the future. Fine. So any parting words?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Happy to help. Bye. Chatting चला. Such time pass. Students आहेत students माझा प्लॅन आहे एक्झिक्यूट करायचा त्यामुळे एक चीज बनायचं कसलं सिमिलर मला 100 चीजें बनवायचं तिला तुम्ही एकटाच करत बसत 100 चीजें हवी आहेत दादा स्टुडंट्स करून बघू त्यांचं बी नाव आपण घालतो क्रेडिट मध्ये तिचं बी नाव लिहिता होतं तुला ते करण्यासाठी देतो ना जी चीजांची जरूरत राहते त्याला सांगून देतो ते करता होतं थोडं होतं दोन तिलावं तुला तुम्ही नेमकं करणार का कवा होईल जे करणार आहोत ते मलाच नाही माहिती काय करणार ते कवा होईल नेमकं करणार काय तेच कवा होईल एवढं जर सगळं केलं तर आपल्याला काहीतरी बोलून काय बी नाही झालं तर नाव तर होईलच आपले सगळे स्वप्न आहेत ते साकार व्हावं